Hi, my old friend. Hope you all are doing good and stay healthy. And thanking you for watching my previous video and this video too. And this video I am making for educational purpose and for learning purpose also. All my videos are educational purpose, and this video for educational and learning purpose also. I discuss here for the basic of support and resistance and basic of support and resistance, price support and resistance levels for a single day, and price zone, support zone and resistance zone for the time period. Where this is the basic support resistance zone I will discuss here in this video, not a vast, vast or advanced basic advanced support resistance zone. This is for the novice and those who are first step to in technical analysis. They can watch that video, and you also those are know the advanced in advanced technical no advanced technical analysis. They can also watch this video for remembering the past lesson. That also remind that the first day of class, and they also get the knowledge, basic knowledge also. They also regain the basic knowledge again. That may reminder of the basic knowledge, and they cannot forget the basic knowledge. That will help always for the next step, because this basic of support resistance always required when you analyze the stock or analyze the index or analyze any commodity or analyze any forex index. This is the basic things. Like when we start ABCD, you will not forget in your life, and 1 to 3 will never forget the number system. Like this is the support and resistance levels in technical analysis, the basic support, basic part, and you never forget this in your entire life. Then you can gain in this based of that price basic support and resistance zone. It is required for entire of a life if you believe in technical analysis and you follow the technical analysis. So you all follow, and you all watch this video. It will regain, and you also gain one new from this basic of support and resistance. Anyway, for a single day, a bar is like that. When this is called a bullish bar, and open is a price here, and one some of the day a price create in a low portion of the that area, and then again regain and create a high in this area. This is the high of the price, day high you can say, and then close in between in this area. This is the bullish bar, because open is lower than the closer, close is higher from open. That is, the bull is intact in this bar, and close above the open price. You all know, and this is the high of the price and in this bar, and this is the low of the price in this bar, and this is the open area of this of the day, and this is the close of the day. So in this bar, high of the price is the resistance zone for the next day, or you can say close of the price is the for the next day is a support and resistance zone for this for the next day. Low of the price is always for the day of the low. Some point of time day in a day is in the day act as a support zone, and open price is also a act as a support zone or resistance zone. In this area, in this bar, we can say it's a support zone also. But open price when support and resistance occur is for the single day purpose, not for the next day. If you play for intraday, if the open is 120 levels and the that price not breach the 120 levels in the entire day, if from 121 levels, then and you can bounce back from that levels, you can trade in that area, and buy 121 with a stop loss of 120 levels or 119 levels from this for the open price, then you can gain. And if this price higher go higher, then you can gain the maximum time. So open price may be act as a support zone for the single day purpose for the intraday trader, not for the swing trader or investor. So high of the price is act as a resistance zone, close price is act as a resistance zone and support zone. Low of the price act as a support zone, maximum time, and another time if the day next day open price in this area, then this low price is also act as a resistance zones also. This open price all in the day act as a support zone also. So high of a day also act as a resistance zone, resistance. Low of a day also act as a support zone or support. Close price also act as sometimes support and sometimes resistance zone. This close price is very required for the when you chart analysis. Then this close price is very vital for the support and resistance zone. In the second part, next time I will show that when the closing price chart analysis we discuss, this close price is also always act as a support and resistance zone. Open price also act as a support and sometimes resistance, but maximum time for a single day, which I discuss here. This is the bullish bar, and this is the bearish bar, where price is open at higher levels and price close in the low day near the day low. And this is the bearish bar. Here the bearish control this bar and close near the day low. So next day high of the price is the act as a resistance zone. Close price also act as a resistance zone, and the low of the price is act as a support zone. On some of the time is this low of the price act as a resistance zone. If the price is open below this level, below this low price of the day next day, then this this low of the price will be a resistance zone for the next day, and this close price also act as a resistance for the next day. If the next day price open in between this bar, in between if the next day price open in between this area, like this area, then close price also act as a support zone, and low price also act as support zone, and high price act as a resistance zone. Then the open open is not a vital for the next day. This open price is vital only for the this day, for the single day purpose. Means when you trade open in this bar, suppose price open 180 levels, you trade in that in for the single day or intraday purpose, then 180 levels is act as a resistance area. If not cross above that levels, it will not be bullish, and if always trade below that levels, is always act as a resistance zone, and you can sell, try to sell with a stop loss of this open price, and for that day, then you can if the bear is controlled, then price drag down there, you can book profit here, because that's why open price only for the single day purpose is act as a resistance and support zone. Here this is the support zone, here is the resistance zone. I think I made clear to all of you. Hopefully you all understand. If anyone don't understand, write down in comment box. I will try to help you that day. Next, the basic of support and resistance zone, where I in previous time I told to all of you that the closing price is very important. Here this chart is made by closing price. So when this price is closed in this area, this resistance zone, and price again go to BR control and drag here, and from that area it's bounce back. So now this is the support zone, where from this price bounce back, this act as a support zone. Then this is a resistance zone occurred. Previous previous where the price fall, this act as a resistance zone. Price again break that area and create a resistance here for the first time, and then again BR control, and from here this is again try to bounce back, and now this is a support zone here create. If price again try to, if not bull here this the bull control, and this resistance area price break, and here you all know, if the price again fall in this area, it will be a support zone for this price. In this area you will see price create again another resistance zone and drag in this area, in close area this is the support zone, and again this create is the resistance zone, and again in fall price fall, and then it's created a support zone area, and again from the support zone area now is bounce back from this area and get a resistance here in the previous resistance zone, and then again price fall. If price fall here, then is break the support zone, and if price again bounce back from here and go above that levels, then this resistance will be break and again go above that zone. If price falls, is try to take support at this area. I think I am clear to all of you. So where the resistance area, where the price creating the top, this is the in the line chart. Line chart always create by closing price, and that is why I said the closing price is also very vital. And this is the line chart, and to all of you, and this is the resistance zone, and create another resistance zone, and then create another resistance zone. And where from this price create take to support and bounce back. This is act as a support zone. This is also a support zone. This also act as a support zone for the price. Hope you all understand, my friends. If any problem arises, please write down in my comment box. I will try to help you. This is the basic of support and resistance zone. You have to remember in your entire life if you follow the technicals. And if you follow these technicals, this is the ABCD of the technical, then you can maximum time gain the, if you follow this technical, you maximum time in your entire life, you will be gained. You will never lose the money in your portfolio. I'm 100% to all of you. This is the basic of support and resistance zone, and A to Z you can say of the technical or 1 to 0. Like when we are child, we learn the first ABCD and 1 to 0, 1 to 0. Like this is the A to 0 or 1 to 0, A to Z or 1 to 0. You can say this is the basic part of the technical analysis. The basic of support and resistance zone. It will be required for an entire life if you follow the technical analysis. I will show the sum of the chart now. The two chart I am showing to all of you. This is the chart. This is the bull chart, you can say, bullish chart. There is the sideways movement, price movement. You will see price 1, 2, and 3 times create a resistance zone, and 1, 2, and 3 times create a support zone. When this price break that support zone, resistance zone, then price again create another support and resistance zone here. When the price break this resistance zone, then this resistance zone become as a support zone again, and this is the resistance zone, and this is the support zone. Price always take that 3 times. You will say after the breakout, price take 1, 2, and 3 times create a support zone here, and 1, 2, and 3 times is break the resistance zone. When this resistance zone break, then price fly above this zone. Again, price try to in this area a small time is create a resistance zone and create a support zone. When the price fall, take support here and break the resistance zone from this level, and price fly above this zone. When the price fall, again come down at the support zone area. You will see this is the support zone of this price. This is the support zone, and then again price fall and take support from here, and fly again to the resistance zone. This is the resistance zone, the previous resistance zone, and price again create a resistance, get a resistance, and not breach that resistance, and then again price fall from this resistance zone to support zone, and from this here price take the support, takes the support from this area, and price again fly and try to catch the resistance zone. So this the classical part of this in this chart, that how this resistance and support zone act as a resistance and act as a support zone, and how resistance becomes support zone, you will see in this chart also. This resistance zone become as a support zone when the price break this resistance zone. Then this resistance zone is become a support zone, and price try to take in this take support in this area, and again break this resistance zone and go above that levels. So this is very vital for the technical analysis. You have to remember in your entire life. It's required for the in your entire life to follow the technical analysis. Whatever the indicator in next time you will apply in this technical analysis, but this is the ABCD rule of the technical analysis. You never is required for the, you have to remember all of your life in your entire life. Hope you all understand. If any query from your side, please write down in my comment box. I will try to help you. Hope you understand the where the resistance occurred as a resistance, where price act as a support zone. This is the basic part of the support and resistance zone I am telling to all of you through this video. If any basic after the advanced required, you have to, you can join my technical analysis course. You can learn from this technical analysis course also. Anyway, the next chart. This next chart also showing that the same thing. This is the red line is a resistance zone. Resistance area, you can set the price always take a resistance zone where the price go above that loan, not to try to break but not break, and price drag down to the support zone area. When this take support zone, it does a green line in this area, price try to bounce back from this support area and go to resistance zone. Price in play trade in between this area. When this price fall from the support zone, then in this area you learn this support become resistance, where support break, price fall below the support area, that support zone become as the resistance zone. Price never try to always break that area but fail to break this area. Price again creating another support zone in the lower area, and at the support area is created resistance zone, where price in this area price try to support zone, in this area is become as a resistance zone, where price not break this resist ever try to go above that level but fail to go, and then price fell another low, and in this low area in another green line created here for the support zone. When this price then price fell try to again break this area and act as a support zone, resistance zone here, and then again another support zone created in this area. So this in this area, 3 support zone and 3 resistance zone created in a sidewise movement, and you can here get another vital thing in support become resistance, where in previous chart I show resistance become support, here support become resistance, where support created the support break, and then support become as a resistance zone area. If any query from your side, please write down in my comment box. I will try to help you. And again, the price break that resistance zone and try to fly above that area again, and create another resistance zone here, and again another support zone here, and price above try to break that resistance zone and price go some area, but again fall and again try to. This is also act as a support zone. Also, this is also a support zone area. This is the support area where price a small area in this area. Uh, Trade in between this area. You all see where a cursor is bringing at this moment. This is the area where 2017-18 price trade. In this area, the price try to take support, and from this taking support at this area is fly above this area. This is also a trend line which I discuss in later part of my video, or in next video, or you can say when I in trend line I will show. And then again a resistance zone created and support zone created here. Price again try to take support at this area and create a resistance at this area. So red line is a resistance and green line is a support zone. In this chart, support become resistance. You can learn also where support where resistance become as a resistance, where support as a support, and when price break that resistance area, then try to fly over, fly like this is the fly. Price open sky and flies from 500 levels to 1400 levels is trade. When trade in a support resistance zone trade, then price occurred a zone and trade in between that area. You will see, and in here support become resistance area. In previous chart, I show that resistance become support. This is the resistance. This is the resistance area is become now the support area. Where 2003 to 2009 price created resistance, and now 2010 to 2013 price created support in the resistance zone as a support zone. So resistance become here a support zone. Hope you all understand. This is the basic part of the resistance or support zone which I discuss in this video. Hope you all this for the learning purpose, and this is the ABCD of the technical analysis, you can say, or 1 to 0 for the technical analysis. You have to remember all of your entire life. If you remember these things, you can say this is also a price action, and if you remember these things in your entire life, you will also gain from this analysis too also. For the novice trader, it is very important. Those who are new learner for the technical analysis, they are also very benefited from this analysis, from this support zone and resistance zone is required for them also. In this resistance zone, price demand is very minimum, and support zone price demand is very high. That is why it's bounced that. Resistance zone demand is low. That is why sell off is coming from this resistance zone. This is the basic part of the resistance and support zone. You have to remember all of your life. It's required for all of your life if you follow the technical analysis. If you want to learn learn the technical analysis course from me, you can learn. You can join my technical analysis course. And another thing, if you like this video, then please do like this video, share with your friends. Then I can reach to all of your friends. They can also benefit from this video, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the next video notification also. You always follow my channel, you will gain maximum time. Thanking you to all of your friends. Thanking you to all of my friends. Hope you benefited from this video, from this learning video. If you require more and more, please write down in my comment box also. If you get any problem from this video to understand, then write down in my comment box. I will try to help you further. Thanking you to all of you, my friends, to watch my video, and always like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel. And if anyone wants to join my technical course, you can feel free to join my technical course also to learn more and more technical analysis. And it will be benefited to trade in market. Thanking you, my all friends.